Today, I'm putting this coffee and sugar body scrub to the test to see if I can really get instant whitening results. Using a coffee and sugar body scrub for instant whitening is a game changer. It's natural, it's easy, and the best part is that you probably have all the ingredients already lying around in your kitchen. Coffee and sugar are two of the most common household items that can be used to create a super effective body scrub that'll leave your skin looking brighter, smoother, and more radiant than ever. When it comes to skin issues, many of us struggle with dullness and uneven tone. Our skin can look tired, lackluster, and even grayish due to various reasons like lack of sleep, poor diet, or environmental factors. The worst part is that it can be really hard to find effective solutions that don't break the bank or contain harsh chemicals that can do more harm than good. We've all been there, scouring the internet for the perfect skincare routine, buying product after product, and still ending up with disappointing results. I think it's time we take a step back and look to nature for some inspiration. Natural ingredients have been used for centuries to achieve glowing, healthy-looking skin, and it's time we tap into that wisdom. Coffee and sugar are two ingredients that you might not think of as a skincare duo, but trust me, they're a match made in heaven. One of the most common issues we face is finding products that actually work for our skin type. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. But the beauty of using a coffee and sugar scrub is that it's universal. It works for all skin types, whether you're dry, oily, or combination. And the best part is that it's ridiculously easy to make. Coffee contains antioxidants and caffeine that help to tighten and brighten the skin, reducing the appearance of cellulite and hyperpigmentation. Sugar, on the other hand, is a natural exfoliant that gently removes dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin. When you combine these two ingredients, you get a powerful scrub that not only exfoliates but also nourishes and brightens the skin. To make this scrub, you'll need 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients together until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to your skin in circular motions, focusing on areas like elbows, knees, and heels that tend to get dry and rough. Rinse it off with warm water, and pat dry. Let's take a look at how this scrub works in real life. I'm going to apply it to my skin and show you the before and after results. As you can see, my skin is looking a bit dull and uneven right now. But after applying the scrub and rinsing it off, my skin is already looking smoother and brighter. The coffee has helped to reduce the appearance of pores, and the sugar has gently exfoliated the skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Take a closer look at the difference. My skin is looking more radiant, more even-toned, and just overall healthier. And the best part is that this scrub is so easy to make and use. You can do it at home, in your shower, whenever you want. Using a coffee and sugar body scrub is one of the simplest and most effective ways to get instant whitening results. The combination of antioxidants, caffeine, and natural exfoliants works wonders on the skin, leaving it looking brighter, smoother, and more radiant than ever. So go ahead, give it a try, and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've tried out a coffee and sugar scrub before, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks, and check out my other videos for more skincare goodness.